Yeah, I usually use a liner in here, but I want the chicken to be able to get the airflow all around. All right, see what these chickens say. And say, hey, so we're doing three. I can't do 375. Well, I guess we do 380. I guess for we'll do 16 minutes, then probably flip. All right, 380 for 16 minutes. All right, it's rocking and rolling. Yeah, get some of this stuff cleaned up. While the dishwasher's going. Wash these off by hand here. Wash that by hand too, I guess. Ain't gonna hurt nothing, huh? Washing by hand. We don't have to use the dishwasher for everything. Again, I use 7-Gen. More natural, cleaner. Don't have all those harsh chemicals. It's bad for you. Oh, so the scrub there, plate down there. Good scrub too. From dinner last night, lazy. Little cheese stuck there. Yep, so. Make this chicken, eat a little lunch, do some Uber driving. Yep. All nice and clean. Yeah. Got this little sponge, Smiley. Help you clean up. Make you happy while you're cleaning. Surgical steel blades here. All right, so I'm gonna give them a flip. Let them cook on the other side. Sure, the internal temperature is about right now, but I think I want to brown them a little. Yeah, see, I want to brown them a little more on the other side. A little flip here. Things we have to do. And when I first got injured, I like to cook, so I thought I was being safe. I put about 6 towels on my leg because I had to transfer the pot from the stove to the sink so I can dump the water out. 6 thick bath towels. Yeah, that heat went through there, burned my leg. Yep. So this big thick cutting board, a little bit safer. Come on, boy. Flip over. There you go. There you go. Everybody flipped over. There you go. You got a little bit more browner than everybody else. All right, everybody flip. Go ahead. Run it. gonna do 25 minutes. And do like 6 minutes. Run 6 minutes, check it, see how it looks. If you have a nice color, go ahead and get our butter and lemon pepper mixed together. I can't give those to Stewie. The app says it's a bad idea. So the bones can get brittle and wind up cutting them off on the inside. So we're gonna throw that away. Not the safest place for this knife. All right. So, and he waiting to eat. Get him something in a minute. Wings out. Got my wings out. Pour this little lemon pepper over it. Swish them around. Try to drizzle them all real good. I didn't make a lot. Just a little bit of it because they already got lemon pepper on them. Give them a little wetness, you know. Push them around a bit. Get all nice and glazed up. Yep. So that's my lemon pepper wings. Later. So here's my finished product. Tell me what you think. Stewie looking for more food. Greedy dog. Have a blessed day.